Well, hello there. Welcome back to another big giant adventure of Thumper's Lock Picking. Good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you are in the world today. Um, I got a bunch of locks. I believe this is a stock lock that I got from Steel Pinnings. I'm going to give this a shot, see if I can knock this out real quick, and move on from there. So I'm going to use bottom of the keyway. I prefer bottom of the keyway versus top. I don't know why, but I do. I use a Peterson hook, and here we go. I hope everybody's having a good day. A couple of clicks there, a couple there, and one on the back one. I think that was 4 or 5. Back to the beginning. Come on now, let's play ball here. Show these guys I can pick a stock lock. Overset something. Alright, cock it. Try this again. Couple of clicks on the 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. Beginning. Come on, baby. Good time showing. Maybe this is kind of awkward doing it from the bottom, but yeah. Come on, man. And there we go. I got it. I got it. I'll keep this. Let me move my camera. Keep it in frame. Alright. Right here. My little pinning tray. I should have said.
That was easy.
It sure wasn't though. Stock lock. Come on guys, laugh at me a little bit. It's only a stock lock. Haha. All I need here, I need a Phillips. Sorry, still working with this damn keep that in focus. Gotta get a screwdriver. Working with this damn camera. It's like a wire that goes around your neck. It's a flexible type of thing, and it has a thing to hold your phone on. And my camera puts out some good video, or good pictures, really. One of these days I'll break down. And I'll get myself a tripod. Probably not. Spending all my money on everything else right now. Okay, oh, did I lock this thing up? Thank God I don't have a key. I wasn't gonna pick it again either. Which flower is it? I'm feeling maybe this. So, where are we at here? I think I've got. Alright, upside down backwards. Oh, okay. Number one is a standard. I'll move that. Tweezers. Tweezers. Three is a standard. That was 5. That was all standard. I'll take a look at the core. Absolutely naked. Nothing done. See what we got upstairs here. Number one, standard. Like that. Number two is a standard. They're all gonna be standard. I'm pretty sure I'm on a stock clock here. Oh, that it went the spring. Damn it, blade. Sorry about this, cameraman. All standards, they're all going to be standards. All the springs are the same. How do you like that shot, boys? Right in the right spot. Oh, there we are. All standards. And I know it's going to be stock. Let's take a look. All. Can you see in there, guys? It's all stock. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, at least I picked a lock, and stop laughing, man. I did it. Oh, I know what I want to do. I should have done this first. I got a package from overseas. I'm pretty sure this is, France. I'm not sure, man, so pardon me on what it is. I got it from Andy Mac. Andy, I don't know exactly where you are. He made me some heavy tension bars and sent them to me. Shocked me. Look at the work on this. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, Andy. I mean, you know what? This is really what I needed. I got some from Steel Pinnings, and I'm gonna just file them down and make them exactly like this. But you did the work and all that. They're absolutely beautiful. Come on, guys, focus here. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Let me get these a little better here. Sorry, guys. Andy Mac, you're the man, man. You are the man. Andy Mac is the one that makes these lever locks picks. Beautiful, beautiful work from what I saw. I have never seen one in person, but watched numerous of his videos, and they really, really are pretty cool. So, that's all I have. I wish everybody a good night, or a good morning, depending where you are. And thank you very much for watching. Stay legal. Don't pick any locks that don't belong to you. And have a nice night. I'm out. Bye.